Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit a campaign in Google Ads after launch. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Google Ads account and looking at the main overview page. This is the central dashboard where you can monitor account activity and access all of your campaign settings. Starting from the overview page helps you navigate the platform in a clean and organized way, especially if you manage more than one campaign. From here, look to the left side of the screen and click on Campaigns. This section is where Google Ads stores all of your active, paused, and completed campaigns. If the menu is collapsed, you may need to expand it first so you can clearly see the Campaigns option. Once you click into Campaigns, click Campaigns again if needed to open the full campaign list view. This step brings you to the detailed page where all campaigns are displayed in a table format. That table is important because it gives you access to the selection tools and editing controls you'll need next. When the list of campaigns appears, scroll down until you find the campaign you want to update. Take a moment here to confirm that you're selecting the correct campaign, especially if several campaigns have similar names. Moving carefully at this stage can help prevent accidental edits to the wrong campaign. After locating the correct campaign, click the checkbox beside it. Selecting the checkbox tells Google Ads which campaign you want to work on. As soon as you do this, a blue action bar should appear on the screen. This bar contains the available bulk or quick actions for the selected campaign. Next, click Edit in the blue bar. This opens the editing options connected to the campaign you selected. The Edit menu is useful because it allows you to make changes after launch without needing to rebuild the campaign from scratch. That can save time and make campaign optimization much easier. Finally, choose whatever item you want to change. Depending on what's available in your account, this could include campaign settings or other editable elements tied to that campaign. Review the available options carefully before making your selection, and be sure your changes match the goals of your campaign. If you're adjusting a live campaign, it's a good idea to double-check everything before moving on, since edits can affect performance, budget pacing, and delivery. And that's how you edit a campaign in Google Ads after launch. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be able to make updates quickly and confidently within your campaign dashboard.